You know what I'd like to know is how many people are making their bed. That's what I'd like to know. And like, before all of this, I've always been a strong believer about making your bed. Truly, I think when you make your bed, you set the tone for completing tasks for the day. And if you don't make your bed, it's like there's always this thing that just was never done. And I feel like sometimes that's life. It's just like, it's a little repetitive. You sleep in your bed, and then you use up the covers, and then you make the bed, and then you sleep in it again, and then you make it again. And some people might just think, what a waste of time. But if you're watching me make my bed, are you really worried about wasting time? Making my bed actually takes a bit of time because I have like 1,000 blankets on my bed, and I make my bed like an old Italian lady. I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. I just did a sheet, and I did a blanket, and now I'm on my second blanket. I'm now on my third blanket, and my blankets, they're like thick fleece, by the way. This is number 4. Oh, there goes a tablet. Number 5. Number 5, which is my favorite one. And then I got number 6, and then I got a blanket on the top for the cat. Are you ready for Numbness style? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what I mean by Numbness style. Make sure you can see this. And the Nun of Jesus up there too? Yeah, I got that. Okay, look, see? You fold it. Now, I actually cheat on the Numbness style. I just stay on one side and fold them, whereas a pure Nunna would fold. I'll do it actually. And then we go over here. And the Nunna would walk on both sides of the bed and fold, but I'm gonna cheat and just stay on one side, just like so, and fold over. Now this may seem like tedious, I get it, I know. It's tedious, but when you go to bed at night, it's like the best feeling to just pull from right here to get inside the covers. It's the best. And with like a sea of blankets, oh, it's so good, it's so good. Just freaking love it. See, it's all folded over, and then you gotta get the pillows. Shambhala's messing with the camera. Okay, so, pillows, this is just like how Mama Rosa taught me, okay? And you know what a geek I used to be? When I was a kid, I used to love making my bed with my mom. Whenever she would change the bed and then do the sheets and she'd flip them up, it was like that parachute game. Oh my God, I used to love that. I love it. You know who loves that around here? Shambhala, actually. When I change the sheets, she'll actually really enjoy going under them. I think it's hilarious. Decorative pillows, because you know, why not? Comes with the bedspread. The bed is made. And it's nice to have a nice made bed. It makes the room feel clean. But from an energy perspective, it's really good for feng shui. And at the end of the day, no matter what kind of day you had, you get to lay down in a nice comfy bed that was nicely put together by your past self for your future self. So sweet. For the record, I am a registered psychotherapist, and if I was to analyze myself, I might consider that I have OCD. But some days I don't make the bed, just to prove that I don't. You should try making the bed to prove that it's great.